Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of January 2021. It is your relationship reading. We will not be touching upon on any other area of your life here. And let's get ahead and see what exactly you're inviting from the universe and from your partner in this month. We have already flipped the cards. I have the cards in front of me right now. We will see clarification wherever it is required for you. So let's get ahead. Also, before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. You can reach me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's go and see what energies do we see here in these cards. Well, the very first week talks about some emotional stress. Looks like that some legal trouble, something to do with your finance, documentation, some legally paper, signing paper, or something wherein it is required to have justice in life, in relationship. Evaluating relationships, there you're going to be feeling disappointed. I see some problems here wherein you are going through some emotional stress, anxiety can hit you, and you yourself is not ready to look at the light of universe, but then you yourself is focused on the darkness in life. So get out in light and then focus on your life, because that's the energy what I see in your cards, and this is the beautiful energy which is be going to ruling you. Why do I really call it beautiful? Because the universe itself is beautiful. It is you who's taking stress. It is you who has to come out of your stress, issues and then problems. I am sorry. Let me just stick up the camera more so that you can see cards more. Okay. Now the second week. Second week talks about what? Second week talks about disappointment in relationships. Looks like that it was a very good relationship, loving relationship, but then suddenly you get to know that something what you were running behind was not meant for you. It was a disappointment. The person was not worth your love. That's very much clear here. So you're a little disappointment because you're thinking about that what has happened, and you're looking at the negatives of it, that you lost what you had in hand. But then trust me, it is not a completely lost situation. You still have cups filled with water, and you have cups filled with emotion here. So that's something which I could see in your cards. So please be positive in life, and then focus on something what you can still get. You still have love in your life. It is not like it is all lost. So please focus and make your life better. Also, I also see that some ego issues are ruling your relationship. So some ego things are coming in relationship that needs to be avoided. That my suggestion is to you. Okay, and that needs to be taken care of also very very well. Okay, around along with this, the third week of your relationship is something which is talking about some confusion in relationship era. When I say confusion, you're confused either between two decisions. You want to decide, you want to be with this person and spend your life the way you're spending it right now. You want to take a break and move out of this relationship, and then make your life better. So that's something which is again the second part of this relationship. Okay, there's a transformation coming your way in the month of January, third week specifically. So the transformation talks about changes in life, changing your life from negative to positive, making changes in your life. Because if you don't want to come out of this relationship right now, the universe will put you, force you, and pressurize you to move out of it. So situation will be so that this is going to happen. So few relationships are going to be breaking, that I see. And I also see that the confused state of mind is ruling your relationship right now. That is also there. Okay, and also the last week is something which is talking about some some benefits in the relationship. I think few of you were investing in a relationship which you thought it is something from future perspective. You're making your future very well, but then because you were too much focused on your partner, you were giving so much love to that partner, he has become arrogant and he doesn't respect your love. So you need to teach them their lesson. You need to get out of it, because they are very proud, thinking that they think, I don't know they are what, but then they don't know there's still options available for you outside. So if you want, you can explore those options very very well. So I see some arrogance coming from your partner, very cold energies coming from your partner, which you need to deal with. Okay, so that's another thing. There's a new start coming your way in the last week of January. So the new start into your relationship is knocking on your door in this month. So be well prepared for that. People who are seeking new relationships right now, you will get into a new relationship very soon. And people who are getting into, and they're seeking new spark in the relationship, those people will also be getting that. Okay, so that's another thing in life, and that's another beautiful thing in life. I want to see 2-3 more things in your cards, and then um, you need to actually open up in front of your partner, a few of you. Maybe you're hiding your real self from your partner. That's something which needs to be presented, well presented in front of them. That's something which needs to be, expressed to your partner. If there is something which is to be like an expectation in this relationship, that needs to be expressed very, very well. Okay, that's another thing. Well, there are trust issues in this relationship for few of you. So the relationship I was talking about, this relationship, and I say that you were very, very disappointed in it. You always had trust issues in this relationship, and then you could not really move ahead in here. So that's also another thing. um, Also, third week and fourth week are very important for people who are looking for new love, new relationships here. So, I think your affirmations, your manifestation in terms of your relationships are going to be answered by your angels. So, you are going to get into good relationships now, and then better relationship, what you always expected for yourself. So feel good about it. Overall energies are very good. You are getting rid of what you never, which was not meant for you, and then you're getting into new relationships together. So please, give yourself chance to live your life again, and then give your chance to get out of this relationship where your partner do not respect you or love you at all. Okay. So take care, Pisces, and get in touch with me for your personalized readings. Happy New Year to all of you, and God bless you. Bye bye.